What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Volt Army, the voltage never stops. As always, guys, I'm back at you with another volted banger in this one. Now, as you guys can see from the chart, Volt still in the correction phase. It is okay, guys. That is fine. Sitting at $49 million in market cap. This is just a better entry to DCA into the project. We're gonna dive super deep into Volt in this video as always. Before we get into that, Meme Coin Daily 1,490 subscribers. Please be sure, if you haven't already, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, support the channel. Let's spread the voltage everywhere. Let's get this on YouTube's recommended page. Let's everyone hear about Volt, guys. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project. Now, like I was saying a bit earlier, Volt's still in a correctionary phase. As soon as we find a floor, we'll be going into accumulation, and then we'll have a move to the upside. The diamond-handed whales in Volt aren't going anywhere. The only people that are causing this correction right now are people that don't believe in Volt, don't believe the future that Volt has. That's the people that are getting out of the project right now. But the diamond hands are there, and the diamond hands of Volt will remain there, and you guys that are diamond hand in the project will be rewarded in the future. You guys that are staying true to the project that you believe in will be rewarded in the future. I am truly sure of that. Also, guys, check out my previous Volt video. I have a playlist right on the front page of the channel where you guys could check out all my Volted videos. We have a playlist right here. And yeah, guys, let's keep volting. Let's keep volting non-stop. Tweet from the official Volt Inu. 99% of us won't see a bull market coming. It will just go up and up. That's why you vote and build every day before it happens. You prepare before you go out to battle. You have to get things done in that moment, in the right now. Don't wait until you get left behind. A lot of people in the space are thinking, we're gonna go lower. This could happen, that could happen before we see a bull market. All of them could be wrong, and then all of a sudden, the bull market starts. Everything is absolutely sending. Volt is going to new all-time highs and crushing it, and all those people get left behind, right? All those people that were waiting get left behind. Always take that opportunity when you can, guys. Crypto Roro, Volt Army, stand up. Sir, better than you. Eyes, you got the eyes. Volt Army right here. Volted videos. Man, Volt Army is always so strong, guys. Another tweet from the official Volt Inu. A few clicks and you can have the Volt Exchange widget added to your website for free. An easy way for your community to buy directly from your website and burn your supply at the same time. And this is how we're gonna see so much more transaction volume coming in for Volt Exchange, because that utility is super volted, right? Super amazing stuff. They could add the Volt Exchange widget to their website. Any new project that launches or any previous project that is in the space could add the Volt Exchange widget to their website right now, and then when they use Volt Exchange, they could swap, that said project could swap with Volt Exchange and burn their supply in the process. It's a win-win. It's gonna be promotion for Volt Exchange to be used, and that project supply will be getting decreased once the investors of said project are using Volt Exchange, right? That is very great stuff, man. Super bullish on this project. I'm telling you guys, keep an eye out, stay vigilant, don't give up on your plan. If you truly believe in the project and Volt, stay believing and keep pushing forward, guys. No other community like this in the space, and I could definitely say that this community is the best, guys. Volt Inu, the Volt Army can't stop, won't stop volting. And we have a video right here with what looks to be some merch, some keychains for the stoners out there, which is great to see, with the Volt Inu website printed on each keychain, right? This is from the community. It looks like the Volt Army This is super bullish, man. This is great to see. You know, that's the type of market I'm talking about. This is word of mouth marketing. When all of these keychains are given out and they're just, you know, spreading around all over the place, everyone is like, what is this Volty change? What is Volt? What is this? You know? And just like that, you have more and more people interested, more and more people that are gonna be looking into crypto and more than likely getting their hands on some Volt and joining the Volt army. Very bullish, man. Volted Dragons Sailors Club sure looks vaulted, but did you think that was it? And I'm not sure what is happening here, because a lot of people, you know, crypto chick right here, one of the vaulted community members with the thinking and the eyes emoji. So I'm not sure what is going on here with the Volted Dragons, but hey, something could be planned, guys. Something could be planned. Remember, Volt just never stops delivering and building and pushing the project forward. So we'll see what happens, guys. You know, a lot of people are definitely into the Volted NFTs, and that is great. And you love to see that you know, I remember in my previous video that, you know, the Volted NFTs, the Volted Dragons, were among some of the top NFT projects, right? So that is great stuff. From GoNorm, trending post on Lunar Crush right here, the same tweet that we see that the official Volt Inu tweeted, with 99% of us won't see a bull market coming. It will just go up and up. This is a trending post on Lunar Crush, guys. I'm telling you guys, the message, the word of Volt just keeps getting spread over and over and over again. And, you know, Volt just never stops. It really just never stops. It just keeps moving forward. The Volt army, you guys just keep pushing forward. And I know for a fact the future of this project will be bright. For now, you know, as always, project, the non-believers are gonna get out of the project, and then they're gonna be FOMOing back in at the top. As always, right? They just never learn, guys. They really just never learn. From Optimum Hustle, another one you ain't even catching our slipstream. See ya. And what do we have here? From Meliga Finance, 30k followers, not bad. New upcoming listing, Volt Inu farms and pools on Meliga Swap. So you could literally add liquidity to their swap, which is Meliga's Finance's swap. Never heard of the project, but you could add your you could join the farm and pool because Volt Inu just got listed there. I'm telling you guys, a lot of these projects love what they see with Volt and all the volume it brings, right? All of the people that show activity once you take part in the Volt ecosystem. They love what they see. They love being a part of that. So, you know, a lot of projects will do their best to try to get, some type of interest to their project with using Volt, right? With implementing Volt to, like for example, we have here farms and pools, right? They're implementing Volt, and that should drive a lot more volume to their swaps. And it's also great for Volt because all of the people that are invested in Meliga Finance will see Volt now and be like, oh, what is Volt? And if those people never heard about Volt before, just like that, you have new people in the Volt army because of this listing right here on Meliga Swap, right? And like I said, it's the same thing with 24-hour trade volume. Let's go and check out Volt Inu. It's the same thing with the trade volume of Volt, sitting at 3.993, just under $4 million in market cap, up 62%. It's the same thing with the trade volume of Volt, guys. Poloniex, still crazy amounts of volume, 1.796 million, just under 1.8 million, and Gate.io 572k in trade volume, right? I'm telling you guys, exchanges will really love to see that huge amount of trade volume. I know the Poloniex, the company, super happy that they have Volt on their exchange, because now they have so much, you know, volume coming to their exchange. It's great for them, and they'll definitely, you know, it'll definitely draw eyes to other exchanges as well in the future when they see this type of you know, trade volume that is taking place. Volt continues to be bullish. The voltage never stops. Volt Army, you know, I really appreciate all the support that you guys have given me. Let's continue to vote the world. LFV, guys, LFV. If you made it to this part of the video, you made it to the end, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. And if this is your first time hearing about Volt, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. Everything Volt and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.